Hey cat lovers, it's your go-to cat guy here. And today I'm diving into something super important: how to administer first aid to your furry friends in an emergency. First things first, always remember that your safety is key. If your cat is scared or in pain, they might act out. Always approach with caution. Now, let's talk about bleeding. If your cat has a cut, apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth. Don't use any ointments or creams unless directed by your vet. Keep it simple and safe. What if your cat is choking? This can be scary, but you need to act fast. Gently open their mouth and look for any visible objects. If you see something, try to gently remove it with tweezers. Never push your fingers deep into their throat. You might push the object further down. If your cat is unconscious, check if they're breathing. If not, you might need to perform a modified version of CPR. Place your cat on their side, then gently press on their chest, just behind their elbows, about once per second. Be gentle. Remember, cats are not small humans. Their bodies are much more delicate. In case of poisoning, which is unfortunately common, don't try to make your cat vomit. This could do more harm than good. Instead, call your vet immediately or rush to the nearest animal emergency center. Lastly, always have an emergency kit ready. Include a first aid kit, your vet's phone number, and any medications your cat may need. Being prepared can make all the difference. Remember, while these tips are useful, they're just the first step. Taking a pet first aid course and consulting with your vet can give you more tools to care for your beloved cat in emergencies. Stay safe and give your cat an extra cuddle from me today. Until next time, keep loving and learning about your incredible cats.